There we go. What did I just say too? Yeah, finally. And sometimes that's what happens. We'll come over here to Briggs Lake. I'll just swipe a fish real quick. He feels actually pretty decent. I'm trying to keep him out of these weeds, but sometimes you just can't. Largy. I'm just happy to get one.
Oh my God,
he's actually bigger than I expected out of Briggs. Oh yeah, look at him. Not a bad girl. Whoa, buddy. Cheese and rice. Cool your jets. Calm down, buddy. There we go. That's what we want to see. Nice. I'm gonna rinse him off. Oh. Oh, he bit down good. Geesh, you little stinker. Get him rinsed off. He's a little better than I thought he would have been when I got him in. Nice. All right, let's get a release on him by Everly. What a fun catch. He was actually a fun fight. That's awesome. All right, you ready, Everly? Yeah. Let's release him sort of by Everly's area.
I'm gonna pick up mine.
Ready?
I respect bass.
Yeah, we gotta respect the fish.
Every time we release
Made all
fish,
peaceful.
it's so cool.
So peaceful.
It's so cool when they leave.
Yep.